Dr. Huebner here, Natural Transplants. I'm here with Qunita. She's here 6 years actually after her transplant, but her transplant was not in the front like we normally show on the website. We had the nape of the neck involved. That was more important to her because now wearing a ponytail, she has the ability to obviously have hair in the back where it's exposed, but she can bring the front down and cover the side. So that for her was kind of the most logical way to go. And today she's back actually going to be doing some front edges. So I'm excited about that. But tell me about your results from your nape of your neck. I think this is a great video. There's not a lot of nape of the neck videos out there. Tell me what you think and tell me about the process.
Okay. So I came here because I didn't have any hair back there. I was balding, and so I found y'all online. So I said, okay, let me give it a try. And like we said, that was 6 years ago. And so we did the process, and I started seeing results as little as 2 months. And I think like 6 months in, 6 or 7 months in, I was seeing a whole lot of hair back there. So it was a major difference. And I am very satisfied with the results, which is why I am back for round 2.
That's right. I actually got on a plane to get here, so that, obviously does her research, but still made the trip. Okay, so just to highlight Qunita's results. So I'll put the before pictures there, but you can see, so if she were to pull her hair up in a ponytail before, this would be a very, very challenging style to wear. And I actually shaved her out above that because for the surgery today, but you can see that now when she brings her hair up, she has it's a very, very different situation than before. And clip this up here, kind of show this area here as well. So nape of the neck. Perfect. And then today we're going to be focusing on the side. So this area was not done last time.
No.
And then I'll turn you around here. So we've had different priority zones. We're going to focus mainly on these kind of sides here as priority number 1 as opposed to any other side. She does have a little bit of hair. We did put a little bit in the hair last time, but this is going to be sort of a secondary area, and we're going to really try to focus on number 1. But maybe you can have some more for the other areas too. So thank you so much for doing this for us, and cannot wait to see your progress.
I can't wait to see it either.
Awesome.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.